about the new software a little bit. What we got is a reach here, if you guys are familiar with that. And you can see it turns red when you go away, and you can see the bucket movement, it goes green when it's towards you. Is what reach is, if you don't know, is if I said, let's say there's a line on the ground right here and I want to dig a vertical bank, I can hold down my 0 button here for 5 seconds. It'll 0 reach. So now as I dig, as long as I keep it in the white, I'm within 2 inches either way. If I come towards you though, it turns green, and away it turns red. Just makes it easier when you're digging vertical, above you, behind. But you can also measure with it. So let's say I only wanted to dig 8 foot, there's 8.1, and I can go straight up on that. I could reset that to the 0 also if I wanted to. Also going to talk about the grade control. Match grade, if you left arrow, you go to horizontal, you go to vertical, you got memories. But normally you're on horizontal, that's level. Y is your level, going this way. Machine's warming up. Anyway, so when I use the machine control, if I squeeze the trigger, you can see it correcting there. It's taking it horizontal. You can see the bucket moving a little bit if you notice that. I have the tilt on. See the tilt's lit. If you don't know, each one of these buttons represents each one of these things here. Guide, tilt. So I want to turn tilt off, I hit it, turns white, stops tilting. I got the tilt with no deadband right now, so it just kind of wiggles real easy in the air. Curl, main boom, turn it on, you can see it drop there. Back off since I'm messing around. All that works when the bucket's green. So we're going to talk about, this is your bucket angle. So when you're at level, you can see it there, I'm turning the bucket. If you get the dead 0, it's so accurate. Just about 0 there, 0.01. And I'm going to dig horizontal. Well, I have a thing called match grade. And let me show you how that works. Right arrow to match grade. That'll match this grade. Right now this grade is 0, so that's dead level with the earth. But I can go in here and change, and since I got a tilt bucket, it shows you X. I'll just go right here to, this is your Y. It's a 64% I put in there. You can see that. And when let me hit the button, turn red light off. So now when I hit the button, what's it going to do? It's going to turn to match that grade, and then I can 0 it out there. So I'm on grade. You see my LEDs on the bucket. They're way up there if you can see them. They're lit. So I go below it, they flicker. That looks funny in the video. Anyways, so that's match grade. So no matter what I do when I'm digging with match grade, it's matching that angle. If I turn it back and I still have a slope, I want to dig flat, horizontal, it'll turn it horizontal. So that's how that works. With the tilt bucket, it's really cool because you can put in whatever angle you want here and it'll tilt the bucket to that automatically.